Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of reporting a lost card to Bank of America. Losing a debit or credit card can be stressful, but acting quickly can help protect your finances and personal information. Let's get started. Step 1. Stay calm and gather information. Before reaching out to the bank, make sure you have all the necessary information at hand. This includes your name, social security number, and any details related to your account. Step 2. Access the Bank of America mobile app or website. If you have the Bank of America mobile app installed or access to their website, you can report your lost card quickly. Log into your account. Step 3. Locate the Help section. In the mobile app or website dashboard, navigate to the Help section. This is usually found in the main menu or the customer service area. Step 4. Report lost or stolen card. Look for the option that says, Report a lost or stolen card. Click on it to proceed. The system may guide you through the necessary steps and provide options for blocking your card. Step 5. Call customer service. If you prefer speaking to someone directly, or if you cannot access the app or website, call Bank of America's customer service at 1-800-432-1000. This number is available 24/7. Be prepared to verify your identity. Step 6. Follow the instructions. Whether you choose to use the app, website, or phone, carefully follow the prompts to report your card as lost. You may be asked to provide details about the card and your recent transactions. Step 7. Request a replacement card. After reporting the card, you can request a replacement. Bank of America will typically issue a new card and send it to your registered address. Make sure to confirm the shipping address. Step 8. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it immediately to Bank of America. Acting swiftly when you lose your card is crucial for your financial security. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to report your lost card to Bank of America effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and information.